Hi, this is the video for the 8-month follow-up, right?
Yeah.
And so we did the 3, 4, 5, or 6 months, and you can see his hair density is getting more and more dense, and not just that, but he had more volume, and so that's why I want the audience to see, there's more improvement as the time goes by. But I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. So this is, again, this is the 8 months. Sorry, kind of bluish right now, but I don't know what happened to the color. It should be better. Somewhere around here. So that's just around his 5 month, I believe. Now, this is the beginning, before surgery. It's around 5 months. But this is before surgery. Anyway, so now, 8 months. So do you notice any different?
Yeah, it's gotten a lot longer. Where it's to the point where I have to use hair products to control it because it's longer. And like I said, it's still growing at different rates and uneven parts because when I first did my hair transplant, of course some hair didn't fall out, so therefore it grew faster in some areas than other areas. And again, I cut my hair short on the side, so I've been using hairspray now and my mousse or whatever just to style it, and then I'm trying to go for a little slight like a slick or wet look. That's why I put hairspray in it. That's why it looks like this. But if I comb my hair through dry, it's pretty dense and thick as well, and so that's the difference I see is that like I said, I have to maintain it now with hairspray and other hair products.
You told me the story about two feather. Yeah, somebody told me.
Yeah, that's right. So a buddy of mine, they used to tease me because as you can see over
front.
here in the front, I only have the frontal forelock, and when I
just
used
a few hair, right?
Right, and I used to comb it up, and when I did that, he said that it looks like two feathers, But now, so he saw me recently, and he's just amazed, and he kind of blurted out loud in front of like tons of people sitting outdoors at a place where we're eating. It's like, wow, you got a full set of hair now. I'm all, well, keep it down because a lot of these people don't know I have my hair done, and now you just announced it, But yeah, so it was a good reaction from him, but you can't call me two feathers anymore. Like I joked with you before, and I'm a millionaire. I'm not a millionaire, but I have a million hair now. So
yeah, and that's a good one.
I have a million hair.
I'm glad that it's the hair when it comes out. It's a lot of people again they worry about what's the progress is, and that's why we did a lot month to month, so that way keep the audience to see. Now the 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, they are different stage. The 5 months you can see the density, but the 6 months you can see a little bit more density, but the 7 months you can see the volume of the hair getting higher, right? But the 8 months you can definitely see more. And then and again there's a 9 month, 10 month, and 12 month. Now even up to a year you have 90% of the hair growth, but on some people a year and a half. I'm pretty sure you read that online. A year and a half. But for this one, I'm glad you come back for the 8 months, and we will continue to do the 9, 10, 11, and 12 months. And from there, then after that, we might do, we skip the next 6 months after that, and we do a year and a half. So the audience to see. Again, not all results are exactly the same. It varies from one individual to another, and the growth rate varies from one individual to another. In general, it takes a year for it to fully grow. Now, and this client here, he just lucky to have it by 4 or 5 months. It was a really good result. And so this is the 8 months, and we will continue and stay tuned for the 9th month, and you can see his hair volume getting higher and higher.
Right, I can't wait until it gets as high as yours. Because when it does,
how tall are you right now?
Huh?
How tall are you right
now? I'm about, well, I told him the joke too. I'm about 6'3", and I told Dr. Diep now that I'm 6'5". I measured myself the other day. I'm like, wow, I grew. I joked with him. I said, hey, Dr. Diep, I grew. I'm 6'5" now, and he laughed. You know, he knew what I was referring to because you know my hair. You know?
And your hair add 2 more for you.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
But you definitely look younger. I mean, yeah, your friend.
Even with my beard right now and the bags under my eyes.
Well, sounds good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.